Hello, sir. We have made it. From now, it's yes, Suresh Kalvarala. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I owe you lifelong. Thank you for your support, guidance, whatnot, everything that you showed on us. You had put in more efforts than us. This wouldn't be possible without your guidance and techniques. I still remember the calls that we had in between exams when I was feeling very nervous taking on my exams. The way you responded to the calls helped me a lot to clear the exams. Thank you, sir. Thank you for making me a part of mentorship program and also a part of Him Life School.